So I didn't have the camera off but a couple minutes maybe, and that's all water. So we're not going any further because I'm in flip-flops and that's not happening. So if you look way out here, and I'll zoom in a minute for you, there's a white bird, big tall white one. Man, I thought this tripod was a lot taller. Oh, you know why? You know why? After I loosen everything up, I might get somewhere. This is why. Now that I shook you around. Let's see, where's he at? I think he's right there. Yeah, we're standing next to water, and I don't know if you heard that or not. Alright, so we gotta turn around and go back. That crane or white bird, whatever it is hunting for dinner. We can't get closer because it's rainy season. We can try coming the other way, but Lord knows where he'd be, all the way up here, or he could be out of sight by the time we walk all the way back around. As you can see, the sun's peeking through the clouds for sure. The bird's kind of moved. Not my point of interest right now. My point of interest is right there. So I gotta figure out how to get you situated to focus in on that. Well, you're focusing as much as you're gonna. Okay. Tell me if you see stuff moving down there. I don't know if it's a breeze, if there's people down there. I mean, there's a light breeze going on, but... And obviously I can get a little closer with the 300 millimeter versus you're only at 200. But Yeah. Just watch that for a minute. That was weird. I swore I saw somebody moving. That was weird. For sure. At minimum, that was weird. Oh, sorry. Knocked you way off point. Alright, we're gonna grind you back down. Try to do it smoothly. That might help.